Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, and I feel like I say this every video because I'm terrible at filming videos. But welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming a lovely everyday makeup routine video for you guys. This was requested a while back and I never filmed it, but today we're going to be filming it because why not? I thought I'd show you guys everything that I do for my makeup. Before we get started, I would like to say thank you to YESSTYLE for sponsoring today's video. I am using a couple products in here that are from YESSTYLE that you guys will be able to get as well. I will be leaving them linked down below. And I also have a coupon code for you guys to use so you can save money on those products. You can get the same products, but for cheaper. So yeah, I will have that somewhere on the screen here as well as down below in the description box so that you guys can get those and save some coin. Okay, today's video is going to be a little voiceover video because you know I talk too much if I'm just talking like this to you guys, so I figured I'm gonna just do my makeup, I'm gonna do a voiceover. Hopefully this video is not as long as it normally my videos are, but yeah, so let's just get started.
Okay, so first things first, you guys, skincare is most important, so I'm going in with a toner right now after washing my face. So yeah, this toner comes in two separate parts. As you can see, the white part has this little ball thingy, and the green part has the actual calming solution toner in it, so you just put that in together, and the green part actually will just dissolve the little balls, so you don't even have to mix. And it's super cool. It comes in these little individual packets, so perfect for one-time use. And yeah, I'm just applying it there. So next up is brows. I'm a brow before anything else type of girl, so we're using the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel and the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. So I like to apply my gel first just to keep the hairs in place. My hairs are pretty intense, guys, so I like to do that first and then fill in the brow. I don't do anything necessarily super crazy with my fill-in. I do extend the tails of my brows because I find they're quite short. But other than that, I don't fill in too crazy. I just keep the shape of my natural brows and then just extend the tail. So I'm just tightlining my eyes. I'm not going to show you guys that on camera, but I used the Marc Jacobs Eyeliner. And now we are going to prime my eyes using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. That's my favorite one, of course. And then I like to do some concealing for my brows and my lids just to create a nice base. So this is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And as you can see, I just go in, I do the concealing of the brows and my eyelids all in one. Go in with a powder just to set everything in place so it doesn't move and get all greasy and gross and stuff. It helps to create a nice base before I put my eyeshadow on. So for eyeshadows, I'm using the Violet Voss Pro hashtag palette. I'm just going in with the color Savage, which is like a lighter orange color. My everyday makeup, I mostly like to stick in the warmer shades, orangey shades. I find that looks best on my skin tone and with my eyes, so that's what I do. So I kind of do my eyeshadow in a bit of a half cut crease moment. That's personally what I like, and I find it works best with my eye shape. So next I'm going in with the shade Goals here, you can see, and that is what's going to deepen up that outer corner to give me more of that half cut crease look. Once I cut it, you guys will really see it more. So this is the cutting moment here, guys. So we're using the NYX glitter primer to cut it, and then I'm going in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. I'm sad that this is discontinued because it's an amazing palette, but I'm going in with the rose gold shade, and I'm just going to cut my crease right now with the primer, and then you guys will see me put on the glitter. Alright, so next up is my iconic wing eyeliner. I wear wing eyeliner all the time. So I'm using here the Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner. This is actually new for me. I normally just buy the Maybelline Eye Studio gel eyeliner because it's less expensive and it's really amazing. I've been using that one for a very long time. But I thought I would give this Bobbi Brown one a try. It's not my favorite, but it's pretty good. I found it does last pretty long, but it's not an eyeliner that dries down very quickly, so you kind of gotta wait in between and then put another layer on if you want it to be like super duper black. Alrighty, next up is eyelashes. I apologize, guys, I can't tell you what the style of these lashes are because a friend of mine gave them to me. But if you want a similar style to mine that are a little bit shorter, then Cocoa Lashes in South 5th Ave is ones that I used to be wearing all the time. So yeah, so the glue I use is the House of Lashes clear lash glue. That's my favorite go-to lash glue that I always wear. And I did put on mascara. This is just the Chanel Volume Mascara. Next up is face priming. This is a Cover FX mattifying primer. It's my favorite primer that I've been using for a long time now. So for foundation, I'm going in with the Pony Effect Cushion Foundation. I've been using this one as of lately because it's super natural and really easy to use. As you can see, I don't use the actual cushion in there. I just like to use my beauty blender, but the finish is super natural. I don't really wear a lot of foundation anyways. I just like it to even out my skin tone, and then I go in heavy with concealer. So this is like kind of perfect because it's not super heavy, gives a nice natural finish, and I really like it. So for concealer, obviously I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer that I used earlier. This is like my go-to concealer. I've been using this one for a long time and it's super freaking amazing. I've gone through so many tubes of this, you guys. It's like insane. So for powder, I use the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. It's super good powder, very mattifying, and this one's just in translucent, and it's super finely milled. if you guys ever get a chance to like see it in person or use it yourself, you'll see it's super duper finely milled powder to give kind of like that flawless effect. So for bronzing or contouring, I use the Anastasia Contour Kit in light to medium, just to kind of warm up my face a little bit, not necessarily contour. Oh, my favorite part, you guys, highlighting. I use the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter, of course. Super gold and super popping, you guys. I love highlighter, and this has been my favorite highlighter ever since she came out with it. I got it right away, and like it is just so perfect for my skin tone that like I'm obsessed. So for lips, I don't normally wear lipstick often, but if I do, I like a nice glossy natural finish. So I'm using the Pony Effect enamel lip lacquer, super pigmented, so I only put it like in the center and kind of blot out, and then gloss over with the Fenty Gloss Bomb. First, gotta set my face with the Kimchi Beauty Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray, and you're good to go.
Okay guys, this is the final look. This is my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to know when I post a video. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.